B2W Schedule gives contractors a centralized online system for scheduling and dispatching. Rather than relying on whiteboards, spreadsheets, and chaotic messages, employees throughout an organization see the schedule in real time, act on it collaboratively, and optimize resources across jobs and over time. B2W Schedule is accessible on desktop systems or mobile tablets. Simple interfaces let users in the office, the shop, or the field see the schedule the way they need to see it. View information across all jobs for a single day, or show a period of time from 1 day to 4 weeks on screen. Use the Data Navigator to jump to any point in the future or past. And B2W Schedule allows an unlimited number of custom views. A job-centric view can show all jobs and resources assigned to them. Employee-centric, crew-centric, and equipment-centric views let users focus on assigned and available employees, equipment, entire crews, as well as materials and trucking. Assigning resources within these views is easy. Create a new assignment from the drop-down or simply swipe over the job and date ranges. Create an assignment for an individual employee or piece of equipment, an entire crew, material orders, or create events and needs. For crew assignments, search for a specific crew or see which crews are available. Add notes about the assignment or adjust the start time or the duration. For equipment assignments requiring a move, B2W Schedule creates a move order automatically and provides a Move Planner tab to view and assign orders for internal or third-party transport crews. It's important to note that assignments for employees, equipment, and materials can be sent electronically to B2W Track to set up the daily log automatically, making it faster and more accurate for field staff to fill out their daily logs. Needs: generic resource placeholders that are filled in with specific resources later can also be created easily in B2W Schedule. Or they can be created from the B2W Track field tracking element and communicated seamlessly to B2W Schedule. When a conflict occurs, B2W Schedule steps in and helps users resolve it. An icon on screen makes it clear when a resource is scheduled to be in more than one location at once. The dedicated panel lists the conflicts and suggests alternatives. Drag the assignment to another resource, and the conflict is resolved. When assignments are created, updated, or canceled, B2W Schedule can also send immediate notifications directly to staff. The Send Notifications panel makes it easy to select employees that are impacted, add comments, and push the notifications by email or text. Equipment move, material delivery, and mass haul notifications work the same way. Using the B2W Production Targets feature, quantity goals can be established for field crews. Assign a tracking account or cost code and expected quantity to be achieved over time. For contractors using the B2W Track field tracking element, these targets will be sent to crews automatically through their daily log, just like the resource assignments, eliminating redundant data entry. B2W Schedule also provides powerful map and geofencing capabilities, showing jobs, and the resources associated with them in a geographical context, and using telematics and GPS to verify that assets are actually where they are scheduled to be. Comprehensive, flexible, and easy to use, B2W Schedule gives contractors a single system for scheduling and dispatching employees, equipment, materials, and trucking, and empowers them to collaborate in real time to get the right resources to the right place at the right time.